We have a cruise ship coming in, and the DJI Action 4 just ruined the audio shot. We have a cruise ship coming in, and the DJI Osmo Action 4 did not ruin the audio shot. Just amazing that you set your camera up and the microphone just didn't come on. So I had to re-sync it, re-link it, repair it to the camera. I had it on blue, artificial noise canceling, and I guess I just didn't see it go on. Maybe I hit something wrong. It could be user error, but most of the time it's not user error because you get used to how your product works. That is an awesome shot indeed. You see it in person, real, how big that ship is coming in. Oh, I've definitely missed that bad boy coming in. I was a little too late to get to where I need to be at, but that is the shot. I'll go ahead and check out online which cruise ship came in today. There's a list. And yeah, if I could take a guess, I don't see it being Celebrity, maybe Royal Caribbean, and one of the recent ships. Not the newest one, because it doesn't look new to me. As I came into the park, I seen the Parks Recreation lady stopped right next to the park bench and laid on the horn, man. And she woke up the person on a blanket, in the blanket with two dogs, sleeping on a bench overnight. He popped up. I guess she said, "Get on out of here. You're not supposed to be sleeping in a closed park." Well, a lot of people are in the park. It's open, and it's open early. And we all know the city never sleeps. Well, there goes the cruise ship. People having fun in the water. And no lifeguard on duty. Many years back, me and my buddy, we came by car, parked the car right over here, dropped the fishing lines in, caught some skate, flounder. Oh man, we had loads of fun in the midnight hour. So yeah, I've been here, did that, done that, but you know, as you see and showed to the camera, that's what's happening. Somebody pushing me? Feel like I'm getting pushed. Man, those were memories. I like how nice and blue the sky looks. Oh yeah, through the camera. I'll stop shaking. I'll hold the steering wheel, get my hand off the steering wheel. Handlebar, that is. I'm heading on back. Nice relaxed back ride. I think I had a good time riding. Hope the sun's not in your eyes. Well, you know, like they say, early to bed, early to rise, the early bird catches the worm. Something like that, you know what I'm saying. Well, the person's here nice and early, wants to get his spot and enjoy his day. Oh, looky here, an accident. We have a wonderful shot, sun rose, and it's a beautiful start of the day. Finally, the mic comes on. They got the table set up, so that's the end of it. I have to continue on, find a new place. What's so nice about this right now? I don't hear the traffic of the highway. Woo! Back in business. opened up, they must have taken over the whole area. Did a good job. Well, I hope you enjoyed the nice, relaxing ride with me. It was a fun ride indeed. I shared a lot, said a lot, talked a lot. Hope to catch you on many other videos to come. It's time to go get that cup of joe and enjoy the rest of my day.